Jerry Hankins and I'm a certified kitchen designer. I want to show you today an example how coordinating appliances, cabinetry, countertops, backsplash, flooring all come together in this lovely kitchen. The appliances in this kitchen were done with stainless steel. As an accent, a antique pewter knob and pulls were done on all the cabinetry. At the cooking area, we've got a stainless 5-burner cooktop atop of this beautiful furniture piece that's done in a nice antique glaze paint. And again, we see the same antique pewter knobs and pulls. What I really like is the backsplash tile they've selected. It has a rope border, brings that same antique pewter accent into it, which really enhances and works on the stainless appliances. You can see even their toaster oven is done in stainless steel. Even at the sink, we see the influence of the stainless and the antique pewter in the satin nickel faucet. Nicely done. Even has a pull-out spray. And a stainless steel dishwasher. You know what works great with a stainless steel dishwasher? These countertops. Aren't they lovely? Beautiful green countertop. They work nicely with the backsplash. They've got a porcelain field tile. Has a little bit of an accent, the green accent that's found in the countertop. And as a trim detail, they've introduced a glass border tile that runs around the entire perimeter of the countertop. So that really looks nice. They've done a nice job here. And the light gunstock oak floor offers a nice contrast to the painted cabinetry and also this beautiful walnut dark stained island. And topping off our beautifully stained dark walnut island is this white countertop. It's actually quartz. It's a man-made product, and you'll see it's got some gray accents in it, which actually work great with our stainless appliances and our pewter pulls. I'll tell you what, I think it looks wonderful. I hope these tips have been inspiring to you for your next kitchen project. I'm Jerry Hankins. Good luck on your kitchen project.